Dora the Explorer. Dora had a little lamb. Hola, soy Dora, and this is my friend Boots. We found the big book of nursery rhymes. Do you see who is on the cover? Sí, El Cordito, the little lamb from Mary Had a Little Lamb. Little lamb is sad because she can't find Mary. Don't worry, little lamb, we can help you. Will you help us bring little lamb back to Mary? Great! Come on, vámonos! We need to follow little lamb into the big book of nursery rhymes so we can look for Mary. Mira, there's Jack in the Beanstalk and the old woman who lives in a shoe. But how will we find Mary's house? Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? Map! Will you check map and find out how to get to Mary's house? You have to say map. Map says first we need to go past the water spout. Then we jump all the way over the moon, and that's how we'll get to Mary's house. Where do we go first? The water spout, yeah. Come on, vámonos. Look, do you see the stars? We need to catch them. Reach up and catch the stars. Reach up, up, up. Good catching. We got all of the stars, even Glowy, the bright light explorer star. Let's put the stars in the star pocket. Let's bring little lamb to Mary and find more nursery rhymes as we go. Hickory dickory dock. Do you see the mouse that ran up the clock? How about Jack and his candlestick? And where is little Miss Muffet? Eating her curds and whey? Donde está? There's Peter Piper. He is going to pick some pickled peppers. Peter Piper wants to pick enough pickled peppers so that everyone can have one. Let's count how many of us there are. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. So how many pickled peppers do we need? 7. Listen, I hear something. That sounds like Swiper. He'll try to swipe our pickled peppers. Say it with me. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Yay! We stopped Swiper. Now we can eat our pickled peppers. Son delicioso. They're delicious. Now let's keep going and bring little lamb back to Mary. We made it to the water spout. But look, the water spout is turned on and there's water everywhere. We need to turn it off so we can get by. Do you see someone who can climb up the water spout? See, the itsy bitsy spider. Fantastico! The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout and turned off the water. Where do we go next on our way to Mary's house? Yeah, the moon. We need to go over the moon. But wait, I think I see someone who needs our help. It's Humpty Dumpty, and it looks like he's just had a great fall. Boots and I help Humpty Dumpty back onto the wall. There is La Luna. We made it to the moon. Now we have to jump over the moon. Hey diddle diddle, the cat in the fiddle. Who jumped over the moon? The cow, La Vaca. She can give us a ride over the moon. The cow speaks Spanish. To get the cow to jump, we say, salta. Thanks for saying salta. We made it over La Luna. Wow, it's very dark out here over the moon. We need something or someone to light our way back down. Who can help us light our way? See, Glowy Star. Phew, we made it back down to the ground. Look, there's Mary's house. It's so far away. The 3 boys in a tub can give us a ride. Whoa, we zoomed through a mud puddle. Now we're all dirty. Little Lamb's fleece isn't white as snow anymore. We need to get Little Lamb clean. Will you check backpack and find something we can all use to get clean? Yay! Little Lamb is clean, and we made it to Mary's house. Mary and Little Lamb are so happy to see each other. They never want to lose each other again. From now on, everywhere that Mary goes, Little Lamb will be sure to go too. We did it! Lohismos! We brought little lamb to Mary's house. We couldn't have done it without you. Gracias! Thanks for helping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.